Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your account. And it's quite simple. We just created an account on Global Prime, and right now you will see this button right there, or you can click right here on verify now. So what we're gonna do from here is click here on verify now, and now he will send us right here to the ID verification page. What we need to do right now is we need to fill in everything correctly right here. So we will do this real quick. Then they send a verification code to your phone number, so click here on send code, take your phone with you, and then right now fill in the code that they sent you. There we are. And now the first steps for our account start right here. So what we're gonna do right now, we need to decide which account settings we want to use. So first of all, let's do a standard, and then let's fill in MT5, because I recommend you to fill in MT5. Then we select right here as currency the US dollar, and leverage, I don't like that much leverage, so we do 1 to 10. Then right now we also need to create a security question, so we will do this real quick right here. So yeah, let's do this, give them answer, select right here this, and then we go further. Then right now, the last step, what you need to do is you need to verify your ID to the Global Prime platform. So you can decide right here which ID you want to use. Then click right there on upload file. And then after that, you click here on next, and then you verified your account. So this is how you can verify your account on Global Prime. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.